What if you could place a trade in the market that would profit if the market went up, stays flat, or even fell by more than 3% in the next 2 weeks? Today, I'm sharing with you the income engine, the bull put spread, and we're using the US 500 as our case study with IG Index. We're going to show you how to pull a tax-free income out of the market with a greater than 80% probability of success. And for residents of the UK and Ireland, this is a game changer as the profits are tax-free. A bull put spread is a credit spread. You aren't paying to play, you're getting paid to wait. You sell a put option closer to the market price and you buy a cheaper one further down as insurance. On IG Index, this is done via spread betting, meaning every penny of profit is 100% exempt from capital gains tax and stamp duty. You keep what you earn. Please note this is only relevant to residents of the UK and Ireland. Let's look at the maths for a real world setup. The US 500 is currently trading at 6972. We're looking at a 14-day expiration. So step one, we sell the 6700 put at $5 per point and we receive 1223 points. Step two, we buy the 6600 put as insurance and we pay 810 points. The result, our net credit is 4.13 points. So at $5 per point, that's $20.65 in immediate income. So what is our maximum risk here? It's the difference between the spread minus the credit we receive. So roughly $479.35. You're risking a small amount to capture a high probability win. So the key words here, folks, are high probability. Even though the reward to risk looks skewed in the favor of the risk, our probability on this trade is going to be well over 80%. So we have a really high chance of actually winning on the trade. So why do we call this an 80% trade? It's all about the margin of safety. Even though the index is at 6962, our danger zone doesn't even start until 6700. So the S&P 500 could actually drop nearly 4% in the next 2 weeks, and we would still walk away with 100% of our profit. So statistically, there's an 80% chance or more that the S&P 500 will stay above that $6,700 floor. So in a nutshell, we've got three ways of winning. The share price can go up, it can go sideways, and it can even fall, so long as it doesn't fall more than 4% in the next 2 weeks. That's why our probability is so high. So this is what our position would look like. So as you can see, we've got a bet size of +5 on the long put that we bought as insurance at 6,600. And we've a bet size of -5. So that's the put option we sold at the higher strike at 6,700, both for the same expiry. So we've got two separate positions here. And you'll see straight away we're gone into a loss there. That's just the difference between the bid and the ask and is very, very normal. Now, for the residents of the UK and Ireland, there's only one real downside to using IG Index for this, and that's down to the margin. So unlike traditional brokers, IG treats these as two separate trades. This means they won't offset the margin automatically. So in this example, we'd need about €1,500 per leg or €3,000 total locked into our account to hold the position. So if we were using a traditional options platform, we wouldn't need that much margin on this because it recognizes the risk is actually quite low because we bought that insurance policy. But for some reason, that's not the case here with the IG Index platform. So it's a bit of a bummer, but the tax-free nature of the profits is usually significant and more than offsets that. So now we have our trade. What we want is time to decay. Remember, this is a credit spread. In other words, we benefit from time decay. So what we want to happen is to get to January the 30th in this case, which is 14 days from now, and we want the value of the US 500 to remain above 6,700. Remember, it can fall 4%, we still make a profit. As long as that happens, we make full profit in this trade and we walk away. In another situation, if the US 500 falls and starts to breach 6,700, we would take some evasive trade management action, and we teach that in greater detail in our courses on the Share Navigator website. So if you want to master these strategies, understand the Greeks without flying blind, and see exactly how we set these trades up on the IG Index platform and traditional option platforms, please go to our website, sharenavigator.ie, click on the knowledge base and access our trading courses. And finally, if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks and bye for now.